Hey folks, this is Russ down here at Mike's Off-Road, and we're going to talk to you a little bit today about our Fab Four bumper installation that we just did on a 2016 Chevy Silverado. These bumpers are incredibly versatile. They have a laundry list of options for applications and different ways to get them. This one here, as you can see, is a full grill guard option that we've just got installed, and we've also been able to add on a couple of extras for the customer at his request. We mounted a front hitch receiver so that he can use his portable hitch winch receiver, and he can mount that in the front or the rear. Also, we mounted this 24-inch light bar made by Trail Effects. Fantastic light bars, plenty of light out there, very slimline design. We also were able to run quick connect winch cables on here. They are sitting on top. That is at the customer's request. We can mount that on bottom or anywhere the customer would like. We also ran one on the back for him as well. That's just some of the things we do down here. You got your tow hook availability down on the bottom still. These are very versatile, very durable, and actually very aesthetically appealing. They come equipped for numerous applications, anywhere from Chevy, Dodge, Ford, Toyota, Nissan, Jeep. You can get those as well. All the newer models applications, and pretty much everything since the late 90s, early 2000s as well. Thanks again for stopping in and watching our videos. Here at Mike's Off-Road, we're happy to be your adventure supply specialists. And if you need anything, just give us a call or stop on in or shoot us an email, and we'll get you a quote and get you back on the road and doing what you love to do. Thanks.